Have 1 thumbs up. We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the control. 3 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the controls. The Jones playoffs begin in 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. We are on the way. The number 1 seed, Scream Bros, right off the bat with 3 going in. Their alliance partners, Trailblazers, with 3 going in as well. But the Blue Alliance ought to be outdone. 14-5-9-6, and their alliance partners from Romania shooting up another 3 up top for 3-point volleys. Another bunch going in from Scream Bros as they continue to open up that classifier once again. 3-point shots going in Autonomous. We will see this classifier being opened rapidly across Autonomous and across Teleop as the Romanian team drains another 3. This one's going to be close out of auto, folks, but Trailblazers looking to make that not happen. Scream Bros with another 3 up top.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
It's close out of auto, 87-93 to 75 at the end of auto. Red Alliance with an 18-point advantage, but that can change
3,
on a dime in this
2,
game.
1.
Drivers now have control. Let's play. 16-2-44. They're picking up 3 artifacts in their human player zone and using that back launch zone to shoot from the deep corner. Playing some defense against the Romanians as they shoot 2 up top. 14-5-9-6 Accelerate, trying to do the same with 3 of their own. Scream Bros shooting from up close, grabbing 1, 2, 3. The little 19-pound machine doing what they can. There's another 4 go in and they open up that classifier for red. 14-5-9-6 doing the same for blue. Artifacts spilling over into the secret tunnel area as a 1-6-2-4-4 shooting from the back launch zone. 1, 2, 3 going up and in from the Trailblazers machine. Scream Bros doing the same. Blue Alliance trying to claw back down 152 to 179. Another 3 shots going in from the Romanian team. 14-5-9-6 with another 3 going in as well. Only good for 3 points as their classifier was not open. Another 12-point swing coming in from red as 14-2-04 continues to shoot from up close. Alliance partner 16-2-44 doing the same from afar. 3 shots coming up close for the Red Alliance and the Blue Alliance as well. Shots being fired, artifacts flying all around the field, cycling back and forth. 14-2-04 continue to open up that classifier and get fuel out of there. 1-2 going up top. Artifacts being scored. That one just rims out from 29-36 for Royal Engineers. Accelerate, grabbing 3 purples on the inside. 1, 2, 3 going in deep from Royal Engineers. Blue Alliance now starting to catch up. 288 to 278. This is going to be close, but Scream Bros is right behind them with another 3 of their own. 2 going wide from their partners, the Trailblazers, and another 2 go wide, but one of them goes in up top. Scream Bros continuing to cycle up close. 1, 2 going in for 6 points. Defense now starting to be played by the Royal Engineers as they poach from the Scream Bros. 4 going in up top for another 12-point swing for the Red Alliance. 321 to 316. It's now time to clean up parking. It could come down to the end game, folks. Royal Engineers poaching from deep. 16-2-4-4. 1 goes in out of 2. Scream Bros another 3 going in for red. Red Alliance still maintaining a very slim lead. 351 to 331. Can they pull away? Scream Bros are in parking position. Trailblazers in parking position. 14-5-9. Give scores for match number 1 going up on the board. Playoff 1 belongs to the number 1 seed, the Red Alliance. With a very close score of 373 to 364, your Red Alliance will move on to playoff match 7, whereas the Blue Alliance will fall to playoff match